Hello Carrie, my name is Angel. I'm here from Audi VW in Fall River, and I just want to take the time to show you the vehicle you are inquiring about, which is the 2022 Volkswagen ID.4. Let's dive right into it. Hello Carrie, and here we are with your 2022 ID.4 Moonstone gray color, beautiful color as you can see. It's a whole new design. People love this vehicle. Check out the daytime running lights, the LED lights that it has. It just gives it so much personality to the vehicle. The front of the vehicle actually all lights up. It illuminates at nighttime, which looks actually amazing. If we move over here towards the side of the vehicle, as you can see, they do come with all-season tires, 19-inch alloy wheels. They just look great. You got the black going on with some of the silver on the side. It shows your Pro S emblem on the, right over here, just showing you the type of vehicle that it is. You got your keyless entry on this vehicle. As you can see, looks amazing. Same thing, you got the tail lights going all across the trunk. White on the emblem over here, ID.4 showing you. Power tailgate. As you can see, let me lift this up a little bit more, which you can. If you want to just set it to that height, just hold it. You'll hear that sound, and that's it. You can see over here you got the mats which come with it. You also got your charger over here, which you can connect at your house. You got 40-60 split over here, which comes useful. This cover actually comes off. Most people leave it on, obviously, so they can hide all their belongings back there. Let's move to the rear seating of this beautiful ID.4, and as you can see, you got this black leatherette, very comfortable. It actually sits comfortable. I'm gonna sit in it just so you can see just a little bit. As you can see, look at all this space. I'm about 5'10", and I got right here about 4 or 5 inches before I get to the rear seating. On the back over here, you got 2 vents, and you have USB-C ports, so you can charge your phone. Whoever's sitting in the rear, they don't have to bother you right in the front. One thing I do like with the rear, you do have like this brown going around the door panel. The color of the handle actually stick out. I just love the way this vehicle looks. Here we are in the cockpit of the ID.4. As you can see, I just want to go over a few things. This vehicle looks amazing. I just want to start over here right with the door panel. As you can see, you have the buttons for the power window. As you can see over here, power folding mirrors. On the other side, you have heated mirrors. You got black stitchings going on the inside of it. You got your digital display over here. Right here, you hit the view button and it'll show you different options depending on what you want to look at. You got voice command. This side, you control your cruise control. You do have dynamic cruise control in this vehicle. You have a lot of safety features. You have if you point your camera over here, let me put the window down just so you can see. This little black square over here, that is actually your blind spot monitor. Someone's in your blind spot, this will light up on either side depending on which side the vehicle is on. This is your shifter here. This is where you put it in drive, where you put it in reverse. You got a button over here to put it in park, and it will display it right over here what it is on. If it's on drive, it's on park, neutral. There you go. And while I have it in reverse, check out this backup camera. Look at this display. It's actually amazing. It looks very clear. You can see everything. I love that. Put this back in park. A nice big display. As you can see, everything is touchscreen. This is the screen that you're gonna see when you turn on the vehicle. Now, most people get confused on how to use it, but if you see this blue square over here, just hit that, and that'll take you to whatever screen you want to go to. That's like your main button over here that you want to use. And as you can see, navigation, you got your heated seats. Just press on it, it will come up to this display, and it'll show you everything where you can put your heated steering wheel, your heated seats, control your temperature. A little further down, you have more climate control, which will pop up here on the screen. Another menu button. You have your hazard lights, driver assist, and there you go, different drive modes for you. Okay, whatever you got, eco, comfort, sport. There's not much going on over here. The one thing I do want to show you, you do get a wireless charger, USB-C ports right over here. You have more cup holders, more space. I love this leather red over here. Nice soft touch. It looks amazing. You got different colors. You got this silver going around, this matte gray, black over here. The leather red perforated seats, they just look amazing. This vehicle has just a rich feeling to it. I love the way they designed this vehicle. You have your interior, exterior lighting over here. You got your SOS button if you need some help. The last thing I do want to show you is this amazing moonroof. Thank you for joining me today and taking a look at the 2022 Volkswagen ID.4 S Pro. As you know, it is available. If you have any questions, please give me a call. The number here is 508-678-5555. Thank you. Have a great day.